Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see the detailed look on this VEGA Cruiser helmet, which is of black color with open face type. See here, this is the adjustment for the visor, and there is a vent, the air vent just below this. I'll also show you that. And this is the scratch resistant visor with the polycarbonate silicone hard coated, and this is scratch free, means there won't be any scratches attracted. And see here, you can observe here there is a air sort of vent here. And coming to the looks, these looks are overall very good, and this is ISI certified helmet from VEGA. And the first positive is this is the open face for long rides or local rides. This would be good. And remember, this is not a suggestion to buy this or something like that, but many users asked in the comments like to check the weight, and it is lightweight, you can say. I have hands-on personally on this VEGA ride. This is pretty lightweight and open face, and this would be ideal for both men and women. I'll also check the online details at the end. And back side there are no vents or anything, only the right side has vents. The cushion is good. And I'll check at the back side, there is ISI mark mentioned, VEGA Cruiser helmet. And please do comment how many are already using this helmet and how it's been the impressions or the usage experience of using this VEGA Cruiser half face helmet. Let us check the online details. This is the offline store. It is mentioned something like nearly up to 1000 rupees or 900 somewhere, 900 to 1000. Let us check the online details also. Yes, see here, let us check the online details and the price and the ratings here. See, VEGA Cruiser motorbike helmet, which is of black color. See here, the one which I have shown you. The visor is scratch resistant and easy buckle, and this is the adjuster. Okay, and this is the as I already mentioned, this is the open face type, and currently it is showing 971 rupees. But please do check in the Flipkart mobile app for the price details. And this got 4.3 good ratings, and many reviewed and rated this helmet. And please do comment your opinion also. Lightweight, I examined physically as it is lightweight. And these are all things once we need to use this, and we need to comment on that. If you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments.